Finding projects to participate in during Hacktoberfest can be difficult and time consuming, but in today's video we're going to be taking a look at 8 real world open source projects that anyone can participate in, whether you're a beginner or an advanced developer. And I found all of these projects and so many more in the official Hacktoberfest Discord server, which I will link to in the description below, along with all the other projects featured in this video. So in no particular order, let's get started. First up is this awesome little card game that many of you will know as Pairs or Memory. The awesome thing about this project is that I often find building games while you're learning really helps to solidify and push the boundaries of your knowledge. And in this project, the game is being created in several different flavors such as vanilla JavaScript, Svelte and React, so there are plenty of opportunities. Looking at the pull request, the maintainer is actively processing pull requests and has been creating a bunch of issues to encourage collaborations. A bunch of them have already been assigned to someone else to work on, but there are a couple of good ones still to pick up. But we can always create a new issue and ask for it to be assigned to us. Just make sure to provide enough details about what it is that you want to implement. Next up is this chess engine written in Python. Everyone loves a good game of chess, right? And just like the first project, there is plenty of opportunity to learn new things while working on fun games with others. And again, the maintainer is actively managing PRs and has created a bunch of issues. Although at this stage they've mostly been assigned to other people, but that's fine, we can search through the repo and find something to contribute and create a new issue. The maintainer has also mentioned that they are looking for help with documentation and testing, providing even more avenues to collaborate. Being one of the earliest projects that I can remember, Discord bots were probably one of my favourite things to develop, due to the fun, engaging and visual way of developing. This project utilises Discord.js to create a bot that will gather and present data from public APIs, and they have some interesting commands already, like showing a random cat fact, which uses the Meow Facts API, or showing a random Breaking Bad quote, which uses the Breaking Bad API, or even this random dog pick command, which reminded me of the random duck pick API that I used for an Easter egg in Zero to Mastery's Discord bot. And there are hundreds of APIs out there that you can use to implement your own command into this bot. Number 4 on the list is this quirky typing test CLI tool made with Python. With the deserts and sand theme, the project provides users with a way to test their typing skills in the command line, providing them with a word per minute and accuracy score. This project provides an opportunity to everyone to participate, because even if you're not familiar with Python to create new features or to fix a bug, then you can create some text that the user can be tested on, providing that they are within the parameters set out here in the contribution file. Number 5 on the list is a beginner level Python script, and the aim is to create a collection of small but awesome Python scripts, so you can even bookmark this repository and come back to it later, perhaps when you're working on your own project like a text-based RPG and you need a rock paper scissors game. Number 6 on the list is a community run browser extension that helps kids with the popular Scratch coding website, and to me this is what open source is all about. The ability to create a positive impact on the community, and this project really delivers that. I mean, having the ability to inspire and encourage the next generation of developers who will go on to build awesome things is no small thing. And they don't have many issues open at the time of recording, but the team behind the extension are keen for contributors to get involved. So have a look around and find something you think would be an awesome addition to the extension, and then create a new issue to discuss it with them. Number 7 on the list is yet another Chrome extension, but this one's aimed at helping those with a domain addiction. No More Domains, when enabled, blocks the user from visiting domain registrar's website and directs them back to Google. And with future plans to redirect to a No More Domains website, which has yet to be built, there are plenty of opportunities for those interested in contributing to this HTML, CSS and JavaScript project. And finally, number 8 on the list is this incredible 404 template project, where you can create 404 page templates using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and TS particles. And if we check out this preview link, you can see the possibilities are endless, making it another great project that everyone can participate in. I really hope that you found this list useful and have found some new projects to participate in. But while scrolling through the projects channel in the Hacktoberfest Discord server, I realised that there are just too many great projects to share in one video. So I'll add a couple more of my favourites in the comment section, and if you have any recommendations, please leave a comment because I'd love to check them out.